Each of us has moments of destiny, moments of fate, where our future literally hangs in the balance. If you're watching this video today, this could be one of those. There's a saying that there are decades when not much happens, and there are weeks when decades happen. And that is true for all of our lives. The problem is that we don't know when we're in those moments. If you're watching me today, if this video came to you today, this could be one of those moments. I remember more than 20 years ago, I was on a webinar and I heard about a conference, a marketing conference, and it sounded absolutely amazing. I wanted to go to it, but I had all these obligations. My schedule was completely full. There's no way I could take those 3 days. But that was one of those moments where my fate was literally hanging in the balance. I didn't know it at the time, but I cleared my schedule. I attended that conference, got on a plane, flew to that conference, attended that conference, learned some amazing things that helped my growing business, my early stage business. But I made 3 connections, found 3 friends, created 3 relationships. And those 3 relationships changed everything for me as I went forward. Here we are over 20 years later. I wouldn't be speaking to you if I hadn't gone to that conference. Product Launch Formula, my product launch formula that I've sold over $100 million of my products. My students have done over $1 billion of sales, of launches with their products. None of that would have happened. That entire business, my current business, is completely came out of that 3-day workshop. So this could be one of those moments for you, because coming up in just a few days is my PLF Live workshop. I've been doing this since 2010. Once a year, every year I do it. And the results that have come out of that have changed the world. People have come in with an idea and they've left with a plan that generated $1 million and multi-million-dollar businesses. And of course, that's not everyone. But this could be one of those moments where your fate is hanging in the balance. I'll put a link down below to PLF Live. I hope you join me there. You don't have to get up on a plane and fly there. It's 100% virtual. You can attend from anywhere in the world where you've got a connection. This could be one of those moments where your destiny hangs in the balance. Scroll down, click the link, join me at Product Launch Formula, and let's go get them this week.